So Netflix secret codes to give you access to the best content. Let's say I'm only interested in alien movies. Well, if I type in or search for 3327, I can now see all the movies which have aliens in them. Let's say, for example, I'm only interested in stand-up comedies. Well, the code for that is 11559. And we can now see all of these stand-up comedies. I mean, you find on Netflix, you end up spending more time trying to find what to watch than actually watching content. Well, using these secret codes, we can now unlock all the different areas on Netflix. As you'll see in just a second, they have a massive library of these secret codes. So whether you're interested in comedy or stand-up or sports or documentaries or horror, all of your favorite categories are properly listed using these secret codes. Let me show you one more. Let's say I'm only interested in crime thrillers. Well, the code for that is just 10499. Let's type that in. And we can now see all of those crime thrillers. Now you can use these codes on your browser, on your Fire Stick, on your Android TV. Really, wherever you can use Netflix, you can now utilize these codes and access all of that content. Now if I just jump over to my Fire Stick, and I can show you on my website where I've actually collected all of the best codes for 2023. Let me jump onto that now. So on your Fire Stick or your Android TVs, just open up your favorite browser. I'm going to use Downloader. And let's now make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can always type in this short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go. And this will take you directly to my website. Now when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is the one with the 3 lines, let's click on that. We can then click on tutorials, and fairly near the top we'll see the new updated page which has all of the best codes for 2023. So let's click on that link now, and we can now see Netflix, the uncrowned king of entertainment, has now got all of these secret codes, which I don't know why they don't publish as an official document, or even make these codes available directly inside the application, show all of these hidden genres, but I really don't understand why. But we can see here with this massive list down here, which you can see now is actually clickable. So if you do this from a browser, which I will demonstrate in just a second, you can click on these links and these will take you directly to that particular category. But let me quickly just show you. So here we have action and adventure, we have anime, we have children's, classic movies, comedies, cult movies, documentaries, dramas, faith, foreign, horror movies, independent movies, music, musicals, romantic movies, sci-fi. As you can see, guys, it really is a massive list. Thrillers, and obviously within each of the categories we have the subcategories as well. So, and we can see now we have even more categories to go through. Everything from your favorite British crime dramas to Chinese thrillers to comedies by all these different people in there. Now if you do open up this page on your phone or on your Windows PC or any other device where you have Netflix installed, you can actually click on these links and it will take you straight into that category within Netflix. So if I just jump back onto my other device, we can see I'm just scrolling down. Let's say for example I'm only interested in martial art movies. I can click on that. This will now automatically open up Netflix for me, and we can see now it's taken me directly to that hidden category, and we can see all of these martial art movies. Let's go back. For example, if I'm only interested in British movies, let's click on that. Again, it'll take me straight into Netflix, and we can now see all of these British films or movies here. Let's go back. Let me just do one more, just so you can see that every link is working. All of these categories are working properly. We can see if I'm only interested in crime TV shows, click on that, and we are taken straight into that content. So really a great way for you to find some new content on Netflix that you maybe not seen browsing through the normal categories, using the codes which are available on my website, which will be regularly updated. You can access all of the content directly from there. So, and lastly, if you want to access global Netflix, maybe unlock different Netflix libraries, The best way to do that is by using a VPN, because a VPN will allow you to change your virtual location. So if I want to watch the best Netflix from USA, I can set that in my VPN. And right now there is a very special offer just for the next 2 weeks where you can get $50 off the yearly plan, which works out as just over $3 a month. All devices covered, even your laptops, your tablets, Windows PCs, everything will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address. You can hide what you're doing so your ISP can't track you, they can't monitor you. To get that, I think this offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. It does help support the channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and the pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. It is only for the next 2 weeks. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.